What if I told you, there's a fish on Earth that can survive without water for years? Not hours, not days, not months, years. This creature can bury itself underground, stop eating, slow its heartbeat to almost zero, and basically press pause on life. And when rain returns, it wakes up like nothing happened. This is the unbelievable story of the African lungfish, the closest thing nature has to a real lifetime traveler. Hello everyone. Hope you're doing great today. Before we dive into today's incredible nature story, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so every new discovery reaches you first. The African lungfish lives in rivers and lakes across Africa, places where water can disappear completely during extreme droughts. But here's the twist. Unlike normal fish, lungfish don't rely only on gills. They have primitive lungs, yes, actual lungs, just like humans. This means they can breathe air directly from the atmosphere. In fact, if a lungfish stays underwater too long without air, it can actually drown. Let that sink in. A fish that can drown in water every year, Africa's dry season turns lakes into cracked deserts. For most fish, this is the end. No water equals no oxygen equals death. But the lungfish doesn't panic. It prepares. As the water level drops, the fish begins digging deep into the mud, slowly disappearing beneath the surface. This is where the survival miracle begins. Once buried, the lungfish releases massive amounts of mucus from its body. This mucus hardens into a waterproof cocoon, a protective shell that seals the fish inside the mud. Scientists call this process estivation, the summer version of hibernation. Inside the cocoon, the fish stops eating. It stops moving. Its metabolism drops by up to 90%. Its heart beats once every few minutes. The lungfish enters a state that is almost like suspended animation. It's not fully alive. It's not dead. It's waiting. Before sealing itself, the lungfish leaves one tiny air tunnel reaching the surface. Through this natural straw, it breathes air directly from the sky. For months, even years, it survives underground with no food and almost no water. Some documented lungfish have survived up to 5 years in this cocoon. Think about that. 5 years, buried alive, waiting for rain. Inside the cocoon, the lungfish survives by using its own body fat and muscle for energy. Its body chemistry changes completely. A waste turns into harmless urea. A water loss is minimized. A cells slow down aging and damage. It's like the fish enters a biological time capsule. Scientists are studying this ability today to understand organ preservation, a space travel survival, a human hibernation possibilities. Yes, this fish might help humans travel to Mars someday. Then one day, rain falls, the dry earth softens, water returns, and the cocoon begins to dissolve. Slowly, the lungfish absorbs water back into its body. Its heart speeds up. Its muscles wake up. Its metabolism restarts. And after years of being buried alive, the lungfish swims away, perfectly normal, as if nothing ever happened. No damage. No memory of the drought. Just life, resumed. Nature created a creature that can pause life, survive the impossible, and wake up years later. The African lungfish isn't just a fish. It's proof that survival on Earth can be stranger and more incredible than science fiction. And who knows? Maybe one day, humans will learn to press pause on life too.